नाज़रीन, इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी वज़ीर IT शिज़ा फातिमा तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं। आइए आपको बराह रास्त दिखाते हैं।
The digital era was providing a lot of scope as an equalizer. But if left behind in the intelligent era, where artificial intelligence is exponentially building its capability, this intelligent era can actually prove to be a polarizer. Left behind in the intelligent era will at one point make it impossible to keep up pace. So we have to be very cognizant of the fact that how fast are we able to develop our capabilities, and that brings me 360 degrees to my first point, that it is the youth that has to lead now. It is all of you. You're not the future anymore. You're here, you're the present, you're sitting here, you have the capability. You're privileged to be sitting in a university like this and having these skills that you're here to showcase today. But with that privilege comes a lot of responsibility. Responsibility to be ethical, responsibility to share your knowledge, to share your skill, to understand that there are a lot of children out of school today, to build technologies that can help us, the government, ensure that every single child, every single citizen can be educated, can be skilled, and brought to a level where they are productive citizens of the country. So it is a shared responsibility between all of us sitting here today, whether it's the young people, the academia, industry, or the government. And we have to realize this responsibility moving forward. Once you get into the practical life, there's so much scope today to not just get into personal development and climb your career ladders, but the real challenge and impact is how many people do you carry with yourself. Individually, a lot of us will make it, but at the end of the day, what will count is what is that impact, what is that responsibility that we were able to fulfill that came with the age of going to a university. Let me tell you that at any point in time, in the Higher Education Commission, there is an upwards of only 2 million young people out of a 240 million population. So you're less than 1% of what this population is, and you're some of the most privileged young people who are sitting here. With this, I would like to thank all of you for being here. Your talent, your innovation, your entrepreneurship is your currency. We look forward to your development. We look forward to helping you, enabling you, and unlocking all of your potential so that Pakistan can really lead the way in not just in these two particular domains, but in technology overall. Thank you so much.
जी, तो नाज़रीन, इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी वज़ीर IT शिज़ा फातिमा तकरीब से खिताब कर रही थी। यहाँ बढ़ते हैं मामूल की ट्रांसमिशन की जानिब।